My task objective is writing AutoMod rules to filter posts about work stress. With reference to the given post in the system, I wrote AutoMod rules to filter the post that contains stress, stressful, anger, angry in the titles or bodies. After I submit the rules, I can access the new system to help update AutoMod rules. You can see the potential consequences of your AutoMod rules by simulating application of your rules in post on subreddits. This feature is called the sandbox feature. Here, 17 posts are filtered by your rules among 602 posts in the system. Below the sandbox result, you can see post collections. This feature provides two spaces to save the specific posts and trace them on whether current AutoMod rules filtered them or not. Posts that should be filtered is a space to save manually reviewed posts that should be filtered. When you first access the system, you can check the manually moderated posts in default. After post to avoid being filtered is a space to save manually reviewed posts to avoid being filtered. You can put the posts that should not be filtered but can be filtered by your AutoMod rules. Here, current AutoMod rules filter all posts in posts that should be filtered. Then let's find other posts for post collection above. Here, you can see 17 filtered posts, but some of them might be the posts to avoid being filtered. Also, there might be the posts that should be filtered in posts in subreddits. You can find those posts with search and sorting feature. But I introduced a smart sorting feature called View Possible Misses and False Alarms. It shows the posts that could be possible misses and false alarms first. Let's see this post that it might be one of the possible misses by current AutoMod rules. I think this post is one of the posts that should be filtered. Then let's move it to the post that should be filtered. Then let's see this post because it might be one of the possible false alarms. This is not a post about work stress. Then let's move it to post to avoid being filtered. Then how do I know the relationship between AutoMod rules and filtered posts? Configuration analysis and highlights might be helpful for it. Here you can check the reason why current AutoMod rules filter the post in the post to avoid being filtered. This part of the rules filters the post. First, I can remove the strings in the list, but it shows this part can filter two posts in posts that should be filtered. Then I can add other checks to ignore this post. I think minor is only used for university. Then I will add a check to ignore the post that contains minor in the body. Okay, let's see. AutoMod rules do not filter this post anymore. Here you can see highlights and check that the rules find minor in the body. If you hover the highlights, you can check what part is in bold in the result. As a result, edited auto mode rules do not filter any post in post to avoid being filtered. Cool. Then let's edit the rules to filter the post that is not filtered by current rules. You can click this checkbox to see not filtered posts only. I think burnout can be a string for a new check or a new rule. Let's add a new rule to filter this post and click apply. Good. It works. One thing to keep in mind is that your auto mode rules will apply the new post on subreddits, not the post you see. Then you have to self-evaluate whether your rules can be used in the future. Thank you.